Fun. I'm not on my setup, so it's gonna be a little different. Just gonna drop the sound. So today we took two trade, two loss. So that's pretty bad. I mean, I did a shit thing. So we're gonna go into the daily. As we see into the daily, we sweep this liquidity here. So we were going high for me today. So into this 4 hour, I was looking to hit this imbalance here in this 4 hour, but the price didn't go yet. I mean, so we're still waiting, but my trade already has been stopped. In the 1 hour, I saw this CSD confirming to me that we were going to go higher, so into a retracement. So I was looking for something to react on, and I found this imbalance in 1 hour here. Yeah, I don't think in 4 hour there was something. So in 1 hour, but I think no, I took the trade on GBP. Yes, so but just saying shit. Yeah, so this was in 4 hour. So 1 hour two, there was the CSD here. You see, it was the same on the Euro USD, but we got the 4 hour imbalance here. So I was waiting to a reaction here to take higher and go long. So in 1 hour, yeah, I was waiting for a CSD here, as we can see, created a ton of fair value gap too. So it was good for me. As we can see, the price came back, break here. So we're going higher. I could have taken it here, maybe, because if I go lower, we see that the price created a ton of fair value gap, came back to it, and in 5 minutes, create the CSD here, right there. So you could have taken it here, or wait for a little reaction here on the second one, and you could have put your sell behind this low and aim higher. Would have been a good trade, but as we see the price just accumulate. I didn't take this, but that was a possibility, and figuring out why I closed today. So it's the same for me. So the trade that I took here was inside this 4 imbalance. So we came back here. I was waiting for a 15 minutes SMT. And as we see the price, if we looked here, we see the price created an SMT between those two here, between 16 and 30 here. We see the price of 615, 615 was here. We got 60 and 530 was there. So something here, but I see this low too. It's kind of good too. As we see, the price didn't like came into our imbalance, so this low were good, but for me, and that's a mistake from me that I took the trade. Like SMT where the two low follow themselves, like they are really close. You see that there is not another candle that separate them. They are close, like the two low are close. So I don't like this kind of SMT, but I think my tree like Wednesday and first day, yeah, I didn't take a trade, so I wanted to take a trade, and that's not I was forcing, so it's not good. So this is kind of bad for me, and I made a mistake. But I mean, in 5 minutes, we see that the SMT wasn't good. I think. So, ASD 610 was not a low here, so it wasn't good. You could see also in 5 minutes for an SMT, and if you saw that there is not the same low as your USD, this means like the imbalance is not good at all. But the price of the trade that I took, the two trade was there, so I saw this CSD here got blocked after my SMT, and I took it when because I wanted the price to came back because I was seeing this move and I was telling myself that there is liquidity here. So I was waiting her move to take this liquidity and go up. But when I see this big scandal, I took it like here after I broke here because I was telling myself if we broke this, I go. And then we went too long, but I should have placed my SL here. But I put it behind this. So fortunately, I think due to the thread, and I wasn't really low on this, I was like here. So due to this low here, it stopped me out and took another one that wasn't good. Yet I found it like on 1 minute, I think, and I don't, I think it was this one. I thought, wait, let me need to look to the the trader. Where was it? Okay, I see those two. So okay, no, I took a trade here. So after we broke this like in 3 minutes. So yeah, was we broke this. I wanted to see a good reaction because after CSD, I took it really fast. I don't need some kind of retracement. So I took it here. Yes, that's right there. I took it. And my SL was like here and not behind this low. This is kind of a mistake for me. I always put my SL behind the low that created the SMG, so I need to put it right there. I don't care about the error. I need to focus just on winning the trade, not focus on the error. So that was not good. And the second one was, revenge trade, not because I had all my confidence before SMT, etc. But I was waiting for another CSC that I got in 1 minute. Here, with this break, and I entered it at right there, I think. The SL was like here, and I got stopped here when this came down. So yeah, not good too. Wasn't a good trade either. So I really need to put it behind a load that created the SMG. Otherwise, it's gonna be lose every time. So yeah, that's my two mistake. Like always put myself behind an SMG that created, the load that created the SMG. Always, because that is a protected law. So of course, it's not going to come back to it. Otherwise, the price is going down. So yeah, always put it behind here, and yeah, do not take a second trade. Like always took one. If we lose, I get out of the market. That's all because here I lost 1% and I'm down now. I was up yesterday. Before those two trade was up. Now I'm down like 100, 100 USD. I'm down. So yeah, that's pretty bad. But I know I'm gonna take it back. It's okay. It's a mistake. I need to correct this. need to now focus on really take A plus setup. But yeah, the best setup for me today was here. But I just saw it right there. I didn't focus on internal IFVG. I need to really focus on that. Take much more confidence on it because on the back test it worked too. So yeah, need to do that. But that's all. Yeah, that's all for my thread that I took today. Hope you enjoyed, and see you on the next one. And also, if you have any thing to to knowledge me or etc., I need like to tell me that I need to do that or this. I take it. I need some kind of help too from other people. And if I can help to other people, that would be great. So yeah, I'm good to take everything. So I hope you enjoyed and see you on the next week because that's the weekend here. So have a nice weekend and see you next week.